Hey everybody, today we got my action figure haul from Millington, from all the different places I went. So let's check it out. Picked up this little front row racing figures guy, Ted Musgraves. It is only $2. I don't really normally do racing or cars or anything. I just was like, dude, he's only $2. I've been looking at him for several different times that he's been in the booth, and it's been the same one. So I finally just said, heck with it, I'll pay $2 for them and do a review, and then put them in a bag and, maybe sell it for $5. I don't know, whatever. Then I got this Mobile Suit Gundam Clawley Hammond action figure from Bandai with a exclusive MS War Gundam game card included. So that's cool. As you can see, there's Mobile Suit Gundam, the 8th MS Team, Mobile Suit Gundam 0083 Stardust Memory, Mobile Suit Gundam 0080 War in the Pocket, Mobile Suit Gundam. There's a Amaro Bay, Salamas, Char, General, I don't know all these names, but there's a bunch of people. There's a bunch of figures. Let's see. Amiro Ray, Salamas, Char Azanable, Garma Zubi, Matella Edgen, Rambo Rao, Clary Hammond, Generalian Zamba, Cal Uraki, Nina Purpleton, Avril Ghetto, and Egulf Diaz or Diaz. Anyway, there's a lot of figures you can collect. They're 4.5 action figures, so they're probably about the same size as Robotech and or Voltron. So you can put them with that. Those series, which our series is all that's kind of all based off of Japanese animation and have the same type of things fighting around. So theoretically, that you could create like a universe in your action figure toys about it. It's kind of like that. Anyway, next up we have the DC's Primal Rage figures. They're basically like DC He-Man figures. I don't know what else to say about them. Funko made them, and they stopped making them because they were too much like I guess He-Man figures, or too much like some other figures. So it was the line Funko tried, and I have the castle up in the attic, so that's cool. Or Bat Cave. It's not a castle. I think it's a Bat Cave. But these are cool. So unbox them and probably try to resell them. Well, they're having a toy show this Saturday in Bartlett, so come check it out. I got these. Next up, we got these Gears of War 4, which both come with a bonus gear pack. So they were only $7.50 each. Pretty good deal for action figures. These action figures first came out were like $20 something. So And they probably could still sell for $20 something, so that's a pretty good deal. I haven't decided if I wanted to open them yet, or if I want to just try to put a price sticker on them and sell them for $20. Don't like where they put their stickers. I really don't like where they put their stickers. I mean, honestly, why are you covering up the girl's face? And the guy's face. And another one of this Cat Diaz figure, so. Kind of covered up the figure by putting the sticker right where they did. I'd have put it up here or something. That way you're not covering up the figure. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, remember God is good. Oh, wait. God is good all the time. All the time God is good. Yeah, keep on gaming. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Jesus loves, Jesus God, Jesus Lord, Jesus King, Jesus rule everything. We got that out of the way. I did not pay $11.99 for all these. But I got the whole set. They were like 70% off, so I paid like $3 a piece for them or something. They're pretty cool. So $3 a piece for them is not a bad price. So apparently they made too much of these Buzz Lightyear figures because they're like literally all over the place. I mean, and they're going cheap now. Even the Buzz Lightyear figures themselves are going cheap. Then it was 70% off of that, so I decided to pick up the Multiverse Necron from Blackest Night. The Necron. All I'm going to do with it, of course, is resell it. And if I can get this stupid price stickers off. Why do they always want to put the price stickers in the worst possible locations? So stop falling down, Aquaman. So there's my haul. Remember, guys, good all the time. All the time, guys, good. Keep on gaming. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Jesus loves you. Jesus God. Jesus Lord. Jesus King. Jesus is ruler of everything. Have a great, wonderful day. Later. Game on. Collect on. Action figure on. DC on. Gears of War on. Gundam on. Race on. And Multiverse on. Later.